Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Lingua Lens English. I'm Emma, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. You know what? Today's episode is going to be special, really special, because today we're not just learning English words or grammar. Today, we're learning something that's going to change the way you think about learning English. We're going to practice positive affirmations together. What's an affirmation? An affirmation is a positive statement. It's something good you say to yourself. It's a way to encourage yourself, to believe in yourself, to remind yourself that you can do this. And trust me, when you're learning a new language, you need this power. You need to believe in yourself. So today, I'm going to teach you powerful affirmations in English, and we're going to say them together, out loud, with confidence. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, let's start with something simple but powerful. Listen to me first. I can learn English. Now, say it with me. I can learn English. Again, louder this time. I can learn English. One more time, really believe it. I can learn English. Yes, you can. You absolutely can. And you're already doing it right now by listening to this podcast. Let's try another one. Listen. I am getting better every day. Your turn. Say it. I am getting better every day. Again. I am getting better every day. Beautiful, because it's true. Every time you listen to English, every time you practice, you improve. Even if you don't see it, it's happening. Now, let's talk about mistakes. Many English learners are afraid of making mistakes, but mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are how we learn. So let's say this together. Mistakes help me learn. Repeat after me. Mistakes help me learn. One more time. Mistakes help me learn. Perfect! Remember this. Every mistake is a step forward. Every mistake teaches you something new. Here's another important one. Listen carefully. I am brave for trying. Say it with me. I am brave for trying. Again. I am brave for trying. Yes, you are. Do you know how brave you are? You're learning a whole new language. That takes courage. That takes strength. Be proud of yourself. Now, let's practice one about patience. Learning English takes time. It doesn't happen in one day or 1 week. So let's say this. I am patient with myself. Your turn. I am patient with myself. Again, slowly. I am patient with myself. Wonderful. Give yourself time. Give yourself grace. You're doing great. Here's one of my favorite affirmations. It's about your progress. Listen. Every word I learn is progress. Repeat. Every word I learn is progress. One more time. Every word I learn is progress. Excellent. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to know everything. Every single word counts. Every sentence matters. Let's try this one. It's about speaking. Many English learners are afraid of speaking, but let's practice this affirmation. I speak English with confidence. Say it. I speak English with confidence. Again, louder. I speak English with confidence. Beautiful. Even if you feel nervous, say this affirmation. It will help you feel stronger. Now, here's one about your journey. Listen to me. My English is improving. Your turn. My English is improving. Again. My English is improving. Yes, it is. Right now, as you repeat these sentences, your English is getting better. Your pronunciation is improving. Your confidence is growing. Let's talk about practice. Practice is so important. So let's say this together. I practice English every day. Repeat after me. I practice English every day. One more time. I practice English every day. Perfect. Even 5 minutes a day makes a difference. Even listening to one podcast episode helps. Here's an affirmation about your ability. Listen. I have the ability to learn. Say it with me. I have the ability to learn. Again, I have the ability to learn. Yes, you have this ability. Your brain is amazing. It can learn any language. Believe in your brain. Now let's practice one about enjoying the process. Learning should be fun. Listen. I enjoy learning English. Your turn. I enjoy learning English. One more time. I enjoy learning English. Great. When you enjoy something, it becomes easier. Find ways to make English fun for you. Here's one about understanding. Sometimes English feels hard to understand, but let's change that thought. Listen. I understand more English every day. Repeat. I understand more English every day. Again. I understand more English every day. Wonderful. And it's true. Think about it. A few months ago, could you understand this podcast? Maybe not, but now you can. You're understanding me right now. That's progress. Let's try this powerful one. It's about your future. Listen carefully. I will speak English fluently. Say it with confidence. I will speak English fluently. Again, believe it. I will speak English fluently. Yes, you will. Keep practicing, keep believing, and one day English will feel natural to you. Here's one about your effort. You're working so hard, so let's recognize that. I am proud of my effort. Repeat after me. I am proud of my effort. One more time. I am proud of my effort. Beautiful. Be proud. You're doing something difficult. You're challenging yourself. That's amazing. Now let's practice an affirmation about your voice. Your English voice is important. Listen. My voice matters in English. Say it. My voice matters in English. Again. My voice matters in English. Yes, don't be afraid to speak. Your thoughts, your ideas, your stories matter. Share them in English. Here's one about persistence. Never giving up is so important. Listen, I never give up. Your turn. I never give up. Louder. I never give up. Perfect! Learning English is a journey. There will be hard days, but you don't quit. You keep going. Let's try this one. It's about your unique journey. Listen. I learn at my own pace. Repeat. I learn at my own pace. Again. I learn at my own pace. Excellent. Don't compare yourself to others. Your journey is your own. Go at your speed. Here's an affirmation about success. Listen to me. I am successful in learning English. Say it with me. I am successful in learning English. One more time. I am successful in learning English. Yes, you are successful right now. You're listening, you're practicing, you're trying. That's success. Now, let's practice an affirmation about opportunity. Listen. English opens doors for me. Your turn. English opens doors for me. Again. English opens doors for me. Beautiful. It's true. English gives you opportunities, new jobs, new friends, new experiences. Keep learning. Here's one about your mindset. A positive mindset is everything. Listen. I choose to think positively about English. Repeat after me. I choose to think positively about English. One more time. I choose to think positively about English. Perfect! Your thoughts are powerful. Choose good thoughts about your English learning. Let's practice this affirmation about communication. Listen. I communicate clearly in English. Say it. I communicate clearly in English. Again. I communicate clearly in English. Great! You don't need perfect grammar. You just need to communicate, and you can do that. Now, here's one about your potential. You have so much potential. Listen. My potential is unlimited. Your turn. My potential is unlimited. One more time. My potential is unlimited. Yes, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Keep believing in yourself. Here's an affirmation about love. Let's learn to love the process. Listen. I love challenging myself. Repeat. I love challenging myself. Again. I love challenging myself. Wonderful! Challenges make us stronger. They help us grow. Let's try one more powerful affirmation. This one is about your present moment. Listen carefully. I am exactly where I need to be. Say it with me. I am exactly where I need to be. One more time. I am exactly where I need to be. Perfect. Don't worry about how much you don't know. Be happy about where you are right now. You're on the right path. Now let's practice all of these affirmations one more time, but faster. I'll say them and you repeat. Ready? I can learn English. Your turn. I am getting better every day. Repeat. Mistakes help me learn. Your turn. I am brave for trying. Repeat. My English is improving. Your turn. I speak English with confidence. Repeat. I never give up. Your turn. I am successful in learning English. Repeat. Amazing! You just practiced so many powerful affirmations. You know what I want you to do after this podcast? I want you to choose 3 affirmations that you love. Write them down. Put them on your phone. Put them on your wall. And say them every single morning when you wake up. Say them when you feel frustrated. Say them when you make a mistake. Say them when you feel tired. These words have power. They change your mind. They change your confidence. They change your life. Learning English is not just about grammar rules and vocabulary lists. It's about believing in yourself. It's about staying positive. It's about not giving up even when it's hard. And I want you to know something. I believe in you. I really do. You're here, listening to this podcast, trying to improve. That shows me you're serious. That shows me you're committed. And that means you're going to succeed. Every day, you're getting closer to your English goals. Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to make friends from around the world. Maybe you just want to understand English movies without subtitles. Whatever your reason is, you're going to get there. I promise you. But you have to be kind to yourself. You have to be patient. You have to celebrate small victories. Did you understand a sentence today that you didn't understand yesterday? That's a victory. Did you speak English to someone even if you were nervous? That's a victory too. Did you listen to this entire podcast? That's a victory too. So keep going, my friend. Keep practicing, keep believing, keep saying these affirmations because you are capable of amazing things. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today on Lingua Lens English. I hope these affirmations fill your heart with confidence and hope. You're not alone in this journey. We're all learning together. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, remember, you can do this. You are doing this. And I'm so proud of you. Goodbye, beautiful learners, and keep shining.